Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just changed the oil in my BMW and I now have this service due indicator that I'm going to reset. So I'll show you how to do that quickly. So to reset the service indicators when they come up like this, so you want to turn on your ignition but don't start the car, and then just have it so that the lights are showing on the dash, and then we want to press and hold this button. So I'm going to press and hold. Okay, we'll do that again. Press and hold. There we go. And now we have that menu that comes up where we can toggle through the different service indicators. So you can see we have engine oil, brake pads in the front, brake pads in the back, brake fluid, vehicle check, engine oil, etc. So all the rest of them are fine for me except the oil. So I didn't do it the last time I changed the oil. So I've changed the oil this time, so I'm going to reset this now. So to reset it, when you're on the oil symbol showing up, press and hold this in the... let's go back into the menu. Timed out. All right, when it's showing the oil, press and hold again. And it'll ask you, do you want to perform the reset? Leave go, press and hold again. And then keep holding and it'll say reset in progress and then reset successful. And then once that's done, you can just turn off the light, turn off the ignition. And then when we turn back on the ignition, just says service due, but I don't get the warning message anymore. So that's it. That's how you reset the service indicators in a 4 Series BMW.